Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off notification on the imo because sometimes we are busy or in family or office or any other works and we receive a lot of message on the imo and we want to turn off notification. So this video is very helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can turn off notification of stories, messages, calls, etc. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe our channel. So let's start video. Firstly, open the imo and you will see profile icon at top left corner. Click on it and then you will see setting options. Click on it and then you will see notification option. Click on it and here you can see my all notification is on but it will irritate for me when I am busy. So I will turn off stories notification, channel notifications, event notifications, trending notifications, and also friends activity notification. So if I also want to turn off notification of messages, then I can off it from here. So in this way, you can also turn off notification of calls. So in this way, you can turn off notifications according to you. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.